मास्टर ब्लास्टर सचिन तेंडुलकरान आपल्या गोंय भोंवडे वेळार पूत अर्जुन हाचे वांगडा दक्षिण गोंयच्या करंजळ दर्यादेगेवयल्या पेले नांवाच्या नुस्तेकारा कडेन संवाद सादतना तशेंच नुस्तें मारपाच्या पारंपारीक पद्दतीचेर उलोवप करतनाचो व्हिडिओ सोशल मिडियाचेर व्हायरल जाला। सचिन तेंडुलकर फाटल्या सप्तका सावन राज्यांत आसात आनी वेगवेगळ्या पारंपारीक पदार्थांचो आस्वाद घेतना दिश्टी पडटा। गोंयांत पर्यटक सी फूडाचो आस्वाद घेवपाक येतात, पूण ते नुस्तें मारपाक कितले त्रास जातात हाची कोणूच दखल घेना अशें तेंडुलकरान सांगलें।
Sir, this is our traditional. Righteous means power. God has power. And I am today happiest man in this earth. World number one cricket player. Every people's popular guy is helping traditional fishermen. God bless you, sir, and your family. And this world should see you are spending time with traditional fishermen. Thank you so much, sir. I am very rich today. I am very rich, sir.
कितने fish catch करते हैं? We have a visitor here. सिर्फ fish पकड़ने से काम नहीं चलेगा, खाना भी पड़ेगा।
Please come, sir. Please. I have a small restaurant on the beach, and I am so happy.
I am in Goa at Cafe Tattoo. They started this chain of restaurants in 1913. So I thought Goa में आते हैं सब तो the first thing they want to do is have seafood, fish, prawns वगैरह सब कुछ. I am here at a local restaurant, a small place, but they make some delicious food. This is alsande. Marathi में I can say कि similar to chawli, but the locals call it alsande. Patata bhaji, which is delicious, puri, pav, and this is, it looks like puri but it's called buns. In Goa they call it buns. It's made out of banana. This is delicious. Thoda sweet hai, but it's superb. Really enjoy my local breakfast in Goa.